How to fix WhatsApp unable to initiate the call. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you what if it shows WhatsApp is unable to initiate a call. So if you are using an Android or an iPhone, the steps are pretty similar. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and follow the following steps. First of all, you need to go to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. If not, then you can simply open your mobile data as well. Now you can simply go to the Google Play Store and see if the WhatsApp is recently updated or not. If not, then make sure you have done it. After that, you can simply go and just tap on long press with WhatsApp. Now what you can simply do is just clear all the cache by tapping on the storage option, clear all the cache and clear all the data, which might be slightly different in iPhone and Android, but make sure you clear all the data and clear all the cache of WhatsApp and go to the Google Play Store or App Store once again and update and reinstall your WhatsApp. Now when you re-log in and then back up all the accounts, your problem should be solved. But if it still does not solve your problem, then I would suggest you to software update your phone or see the space of your phone if it has enough space or not. If that's not the problem, then go to the WhatsApp and tap on the report a problem option. Then WhatsApp might send you feedback after a few hours to few days and your problem should be solved by now. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.